Hello, welcome to With Sarah Jane. Today we are going to walk you through how to list your business for free on Google. The importance of being on Google should speak for itself, but in case you don't know, there are over 2 billion searches per day on Google, and about 46% of those are local. And so what that means is people are searching for businesses just like yours in your local area every day via Google. And if they find you on Google and they find your listing and it looks great, it has pictures, it has all of the things that we will cover on this channel moving forward, then they are very likely to contact you within 24 hours. And if you live up to their expectations, then they may become customers. So how is that for a free service that costs you almost nothing except for a little bit of time putting yourself on Google? So with that said, a lot of business owners are great at the service that they offer and not so great at marketing. So that is what I am here for. I'm a small business strategist that is here to help you find free ways to get your name out there and drive business to your entity for free and organically. So the best way, in my opinion, that you can do that is to start with your Google listing. So all we are going to do, you need your business name, you need a Gmail account, and you need your name, address, and phone number in about 5 minutes worth of time. We're going to walk through this very quickly. I do realize that entrepreneurs are busy people and don't have a whole lot of time to sit and learn. So we're just going to jump right in. So all I have done so far is gone to Google, and as you can see, I have searched Google My Business, and this comes up. So we're going to click here and we're going to say Manage Now. And then we are going to search your business name. It is quite possible that if you have been in business in the area for a little bit of time, that Google may have found your business already and listed it for you. If this is the case, you can claim it and update your listing, add pictures, add all kinds of information on there to make it more relevant and to come up first when people search for your niche market in the area. But in this case, we are going to make up a name of a business that does not exist. So Sarah's, let's see, flower business. Okay, and as you can see, when I type that in, this business does not exist on Google. You don't need to do it in caps. My caps lock is on. This business is not included in Google as of yet. If it were, there would be a list down here of businesses with that name, and you could click it and say, this is my business. But in this case, this business is not. So I'm going to click enter, and they're saying, is this your business name? We're going to choose a category. I'm going to take my caps lock off here. If your category is obvious, then wonderful. If not, you may or may not have to search. The category is very important, but for our purposes and when you first start, you can just go ahead and pick what is most relevant for the time. You do have the ability to change it later. So in this case, we're a florist, hypothetically. And if you have a location, you absolutely want to put it in here, as that will help with your local searches, people local to you searching for your category and finding you. If not, if you offer a service that can be done anywhere, say you're a remote service, then you can say no, and you don't have to list your business address. So in this case, we're a florist. We have a florist shop, so we're going to make up this address. So we are going to say 123 Main Street, Houston. Houston 77074. Next. Okay, and what this allows you to do is it allows you to zoom in and get just the right area. So as you can see, you can move this around. So we're going to click next. We've got that in the right place. And next again. It's going to give us fits because I did not have the correct. Okay, let's just pick another address so that's a legit address. And then you can, yes, you do, or no, you do not serve in other places outside of your location. So if you deliver, this is if you deliver a service or if you meet people in a different area other than where you are. So we're a florist, so yes, we deliver. Add the areas you serve. So we're going to say Houston. This has a strategy as well, which we'll go over in another video at a later time. We are going to make up our phone number. And then if you do have a web address, obviously you would enter that here. If you don't, Google listings do allow you to create a free, very basic website, and there are some benefits to including your website and also doing the free website, which again, we will cover in another video. But if you do have something, you can say Sarah's, enter that here. Um, and then you will simply say verify by contact. They will send you a postcard in the mail. So we are going to say Sarah and verify the address, and then you would click mail, and then you will check your mailbox for, usually it takes 5 to 7 business days to get the postcard in the mail. And once you get the postcard in the mail, it will give you a code to then come back to your Google My Business. Just simply sign into your Gmail account and then come back and sign into your Google My Business. To do that, you can simply go to Google My Business and manage your account or sign in as I showed you before, and then enter the code that comes in the mail and verify your account, and then you are off and running. I hope this has been helpful. Come back to my channel and subscribe to this channel if you would like other helpful tips to be able to get your business out there organically with no additional cost to you. Take care and have an awesome day, friends.